Hi, now we will continue with tutorial 4. In this lesson, we will focus on the profit function, and we will learn how to find the average profit and also the marginal profit. What is the total profit? The total profit is just the total revenue minus with the total cost. So it is total pendapatan minus with the total cost to find the profit function. Profit is usually denoted as pi x with the symbol pi. Revenue is R and cost is C. To find the average profit, remember my tips from tutorial 3. Whenever you see the word average, it refers to this bar, and what function is the profit function known as the pi x, and then this is average, so we have that division divide with the x, and what's the function to divide with x? Is the profit function. Next, it's marginal profit. When you see the word marginal, there's a prime there, and the function is profit, so it's pi. When there's a prime, this means we have to differentiate that function profit, which is pi x. Next, marginal average profit. You see the word marginal, so there's a prime, and what's the function? It's the average profit function. There's a profit function pi, and there's average, so there's a bar. So this means we have to differentiate the average profit function. Same concept applies as before. The marginal profit is the extra profit earned from an extra unit produced and sold at units of production X. So it's like if we have produced 1,000 units of handphones, what would be the extra profit that we get if we have sold 1,001 units of handphones? What's that extra profit obtained if we have sold that one extra unit of handphone? That's what marginal profit means. Now let's look at example 1. The revenue function in RM for selling X kilograms of butter cake is given by this function. The total cost to produce X kilograms of butter cake is given by the cost function. Now this question has given us the revenue function and also the cost function. We want to find the profit function. Remember, the formula to find the profit function is just the total revenue subtract with the cost. Pendapatan tolak cost. Next, average profit function. There's the word average, so there's a bar there. And what's the function that we want to average? It's the profit function, so it's pi x. So if there's a bar here, that means that's the division, divide with x. What's the function that we want to divide with x? It's the profit function. Next, we have the word marginal. Marginal is the prime. What's the function to prime? It's the profit function. Refers as pi x. And when there's a prime, that means we have to differentiate that function pi x. Okay, let's solve this. To find the profit function, just substitute your revenue function, 30x minus x squared, subtract with 10x minus 20. Open the bracket, make sure there's a bracket here before you write your cost function, because students always get careless mistakes here since there's a minus sign outside it. After you expand the negative sign, and then you simplify, and your profit function will be like this. Next question is finding the average profit function. So average profit function is just dividing the profit function with x. So just write your profit function, divide each of the terms with x and simplify. And you will get 20 minus x plus 20 over x. Next, question wants you to find the marginal profit function. Marginal profit is pi prime. So we have to differentiate that pi function. Write it there and differentiate. You will get 20 minus 2x. And that's it. We are done for example 1. Now try out example 2. Thank you for watching.